Hi, my name's Lydia Wolfe from Jack and the Wolf in the UK. Today I'm going to be using the THERMASHAPE 2-in-1 spray. I love this hybrid product because not only does it provide curl hold and heat protection when styling, it's an amazing finishing spray as well. So here's the finished look. I've got style, I've got finish, and I only had to use one product. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for another styling look.